In this problem, we are asked to solve by factoring. The equation is already set equal to 0, so we can set up our parentheses for our factors. Our first times our first must produce x squared. So this looks like it will be x times x. Now we go to C, and we see that C is negative, which means that our signs in our factors will be different. So we'll have 1 plus and 1 minus. Next, we need to create the factors of 64. So it'd be 1 and 64, 2 and 32, 4 and 16, 8 and 8. Our b value is 0, and when our b value is 0, we want to choose the factor pair that is 8 and 8, the same value. So we'll insert 8 and 8. And the reason we want to choose this is because when we FOIL this out, we will end up with a minus 8x plus 8x minus 64. So our b values will cancel. Now that we know we have factored this correctly, we can use our zero product property to solve. So x plus 8 is equal to 0. X minus 8 is equal to 0. So we would subtract 8 and get x is negative 8. We will add 8 and get x is 8. So we end up with the solutions negative 8 and 8. This is called a difference of squares. You can recognize this when both of your terms are perfect squares. X squared and 64 are perfect squares, and it is subtraction.